Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. MXP signing here again for another video. Today it's the second part of my tutorial about how to make an generated avatar using AI. So in this second part I'm gonna show you how we'll use Midjourney to generate your own avatar and which can represent you or any character that you like. And in the next video I'm gonna show you how to animate it. So the first thing to do is to create first a Discord account. Since on Midjourney, if you're gonna open Midjourney, you need to join the beta and it's based on Discord. You will have to enter your prompt every time you wanna query Midjourney to generate your an image. How you can, if you don't want to pay for Midjourney and just want to try, what you can use is using the feature of iCloud, which is the hide my email. All you need to do is to connect to your iCloud account and then use the feature down here in the extra feature and add a new fake email. This is not actually a fake email. What it does is that it reroutes all your email you will receive from this very specific one to your main email account, iCloud account. And then what you can do is then just go back to Discord, prompt the mail you have, let's say MXP on YouTube, leave for instance Safari or any password generator using it, type your birthday, accept and then click continue. You have to then verify that you're not bot. And once your Discord account is ready, you can go back to Midjourney and start to join the beta. When it does, it opens the Discord server of Midjourney, and you can either run it in your favorite browser or either. And here is how it's working. You have a lot of channels down here, and here is a room where you can generate stuff. You can see all things being generated. While although you can interact with them and tell the algorithm that's the prompt, and the result of the prompt is pretty good. So here, the prompt of our the first steps you want to do is just go check on settings that you're in Midjourney for. Basically, the base quality. You don't have to change anything yet. The third thing to do, what I do like to do, is just first of all, you have, when typing on the slash, you have all the commands you can add. You can add extra options, for instance on here, access private, spawner, and so on. And you can set your own suffix if needed. But we're gonna go fast very quickly on it. Tell me in the comment if you need more information about how to use Midjourney and to go in the details. So let's say I'm gonna go in the prompt. I'm gonna say I want a man avatar. The YouTuber, male, 40 years old, black, black hair, let's say green eyes, green and brown. And I want it photo realistic. Drop realistic. Entering. Since I want to make it for a short, or I mean, if you want to make it for a short or any vertical mode, you can tell it the aspect ratio, which is by using the suffix double try AR 16, sorry, 9 by 16. It's gonna put it vertical. But here, what we want is to make our avatar for YouTube. So let's say I'm gonna say 16 by 9. And what is very important is to sell what a seed number. What the seed does is that you have every time Midjourney is generating an image, you have information. You have the seed number. This seed number is telling you which answer has been given to a prompt and how you can use it again and again to iterate over it. So I'm gonna say that my seed could be that number. Let's say something more easy to remember. I'm gonna copy my prompt just to be sure. Yeah, probably futuristic, rendering. Let's add some soft light and white background. About a presenter, since it's the first time I will have to accept the term of service and use my prompt being colored. You can see a lot of things are happening here on Midjourney, and if you want to access directly to your prompt, you can click on the inbox here, and then Midjourney bot is going to send you all the mentions that you have, and Midjourney going to tag you directly down here, so you can access very quickly all the things that you need here on the inbox. So we'll have to wait. We are at 62% of rendering, and we're gonna move wait until it generated us our avatar. So the generation is over. Here's what we got. Some quite face which can be accurate. Here, down here we have the background. This one seems a bit odd. This one is pretty realistic. What we want is we don't want we want the entire face and knock it off. So what we're gonna do is just use our seed. So let's pull back Imagine prompt and say that add, we don't want no, we want the entire face. Entire face displayed. I'll ask Midjourney to work again, giving the seed again. It's gonna understand that we're gonna work on our avatar over and over. What we could have done too is just name our avatar. I say it's a man, and I could have gave him a name. So the more you interact with the bot, the more it will understand that the answer I gave you were pretty accurate or not, and it's gonna keep the information that he has, for instance, as a seed number, but also if I think I'm gonna name it next time. So as you can see, we have still the issue of the face being cutted. So we're gonna change our prompt and the number. I do liked the second one, but let's improve our prompt. We're gonna name our man. So I'm gonna name it MXP. Avatar of YouTuber, ultra realistic, uptime rendering, and let's say that's a full frame portrait. And change our seed number. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna copy my prompt over and over. What is cool with Midjourney, it's you can also be inspired by other people's creation, check their prompts, and sometimes just upscale the image that you want that you can only use, for instance, to update your prompt or to share or just to get image that you like. So here are some images. You can use your own image and your own face just to generate avatars. Maybe I will do it in the next generation. So it doesn't seem to understand that I want a full frame portrait. Maybe I'm gonna just change the aspect ratio so it's gonna be easier for it to understand. That one is pretty cool. Let's say, imagine, prompt, name my name MXPI. Let's say 9 by 16. Oh, I think I made restart here. And here we go again. So basically, Midjourney, it's a matter of iterating over and over, just to as long as you have your own image and you want to show the avatar that you want and have the right detail. I think I'm gonna skip for now the recording, and I will go back to you once I have a decent avatar to work on, since everything is to iterate on your prompt down here, move on to the next step, add extra parameters. For instance, this one start to be pretty accurate. I'm gonna just, for instance, upscale the third one. So once if you wanna have a better version of this one, you need to just press the number 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna upscale it, and you can reroll it if you want to make it work again. And I'm gonna ask it for a variation, so it's gonna take the third one and iterate on it based on the current thing that we've shared. So here is my final avatar. I've asked Midjourney to upscale it, and if you want to just download it, then what you can do is just click on it, open in your web browser, and they'd save it to your computer. Then you see that I'm still having issues with a cropped here there on my picture, but I actually do like it, since that's very important. I can see the eye, the noise, and the mouse, and it's gonna be easier here to animate it. So what I will do is just then use DALL-E. If you remember, I already posted a tutorial about how to fix or to add extra data to an image. I'm gonna select my image to edit. Let's go back to this one. It's MXP on YouTube. I'm gonna skip cropping. I'm gonna move it here, and I'm gonna just extend the frame here, just to ask Midjourney to generate the missing part here. Gonna erase it. I'm just gonna say that main man in front of camera. And ask DALL-E here to generate the missing part. AI, I replaced my workflow in many editing things. For instance, here I missed the part of the image, and Photoshop will not render very perfectly the missing part. So sometimes it can be very fun and tricky, but actually here things seems to be fine. Let's ask him to render a little bit more, since I have a little issue. And for the final adjustment, I think for this corner here, I'm not gonna ask DALL-E I will go back to Photoshop and then just generate and fill the gap behind. So the generation is done. I'm always impressed by the way AI can't add new airs or a new style here. So I think I'm gonna accept that one and save it to my laptop. I gotta go on image, meet avatar, create, save it. And then I'm gonna open Photoshop. This video is going to be a bit longer than usual since what I want to do is just to give you the best tips and tricks about moving and making your own avatar. And you have to, so you have the right place to start and the right avatar to start. First, then gonna improve the selection a little bit. Then I use content aware fill just for it to here fill all the gaps. There is a little hole down here, so I'm gonna just switch here to the local corrector, select, and I'm fixing the issue this way, and you can remove this part down here. So basically that's our next avatar. I'm gonna show you in the next video how to animate it. You can either scale it up just to match the whole frame or of a 16:9 video or anything that you like. But basically with this kind of background, it's gonna be easier if you wanna add more content to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Send me your best creation. I'm gonna share a few of mine here on the next part of the video, or the avatar I've made. And I will see you next week to show you how you can animate the face we've made with I hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, if you do like my content, please subscribe here on my YouTube channel, turn on the bell, and follow me on Instagram to see all the content you can make with Joel. Stay tuned.